Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on a bold font function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to make our font bolder? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu here. Next, in visibility enhancements, when we scroll all the way down, we have font size and style options. And in here we have our bold font option. Here we have example of how the font will look like. And when we use our bold font function, as you can see, our letter changed its look. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.